As you can see, we have been detained. As you can see, we have been detained and brought to the Parliament Street police station. We were protesting very peacefully this morning. A group of us, 8 MPs, outside the Home Ministry, the office of the Honorable Amit Shah, who yesterday most shamelessly, after being unable to fight us on the ground politically in Bengal, sent his enforcement directorate, the extortion directorate, to loot and plunder and do political espionage on our party and steal our party's election documents and election data. And on a 7 to 10-year-old case, what were they doing? Sleeping till now. That is number one. And they brought us here, they dragged us in prison vans and brought us here in a peaceful protest. We are public representatives. We are not criminals to be brought here like this. The second thing is, you see some names here on this poster. The names are Ajit Pawar. The Prime Minister himself said 70,000 crores is the scam that he is doing. Where is he today? Deputy Chief Minister. Where is he today? In Maharashtra, running the government with the BJP. Second name, Himanta Bisa Sarma. He was in the Louis Berger scam and he was supposed to be in jail, said Mr. Amit Shah. Where is he today? He's Mr. Mastermind for the Northeast, for the BJP and Chief Minister herself. What name do you see here after that? Suvendu Adhikari. Suvendu Adhikari was caught on camera taking money. Caught on camera. Where is he today? Leader of the opposition in Bengal. Who do you see here? Narayan Rane, who has been accused of numerous scams. Where is he? In the Maharashtra government. So why is the ED selectively only for the opposition and a washing machine for those that the BJP like? Today at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, our leader, the Tigress Mamata Banerjee, nobody else has the guts. And today, nobody else, no opposition leader had the guts to do what she did yesterday. While the ED's illegal raid was going on, Didi went into the premises and she tried and saved our party's documents and our party's information. She's leading a march today from Jadavpur 8B bus stand to Hazra Mode, and all the public of Calcutta will join her, and we will show the BJP that these tricks on the eve of an election will backfire.
He says that